Do you want to know how to view Instagram Insights? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. Open your Instagram account and the very first thing you want to do is to actually set your account into professional account. So to do that, click on your profile icon to go to your profile page and then click on the three line on the top right corner. Click on settings. Now scroll down until you find account type and tools under for professionals. Click on it and then click on switch to professional account and tap on continue. And now it will actually ask you how would you describe your professional account. So let's say a digital creator and click done. And let's say creator and just set up everything here. And now you have actually set your account into your professional account. So when you tap on the three line icon, now here you will find Insight option. Tap on that and here this is how you view your Instagram Insights. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.